friends, I am Anirban Gupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is mint lemonade. So ingredients are needed: few numbered mint leaves, then after needed 2 tablespoons sugar powder, then after needed 2 tablespoons lemon juice, then after needed salt to taste, then after needed 1 cup water, then after needed 6 ice cubes, and then after needed soda. So this is the ingredients of mint lemonade. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take a cup, then after added few number mint leaves, then after added little bit water, and now crushed well properly. Friends, these mint leaves crushed is finished, and then now I take another fresh glass. Now added these crushed mint leaves, and now squeeze it properly. And now see friends, then after added these fresh mint leaves, again added fresh mint leaves, then after added lemon juice, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, then after added 2 tablespoons sugar powder, and now added ice cubes, fresh ice cubes, and then now after added salt to taste, and now stir well properly. And now added soda, fresh soda, and now added this straw, and now add this lemon slice for garnishing. So see friends, our mint lemonade is now ready. This fresh mint lemonade is now ready, and this is the beautiful looking and very refreshing color. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.